In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and look for Google or Google Services, then tap on it. Now tap on All Services, then go to Search, Assistant, and Voice. Here, tap on Gemini. Once you're in the Assistant settings, tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free. Now turn on the Hey Google option. You may be asked to agree to some permissions. Tap Agree to continue. Next, you'll need to train your voice so your phone can recognize you. Follow the on-screen instructions and say the phrases like, after completing this step, Voice Match will be set up. That's it. Google Assistant is now enabled, and you can start using Hey Google to control your phone hands-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.